And now it's on to the DHB model, né? DHB model again, yeah, cryptocurrency. For you understand. So this is G2.9 DHB model, né? DHB is the Dream Home Blueprint. So obviously it's from the 21st October until the 19th of December. So you can become a homeowner through leveraging cryptocurrency. So basically, this is a very simple model. If you understand cryptocurrency like I do, you must identify a coin, like an asset, it's cheap right now, and then in our potential it will grow in the next couple of years. So I grow obviously to it, and then I shall do with Tangai. So now all I did is G2 panel. All I said is no G2 panel because let me help get a program that so that or back in a coin in on my key simplify for bond. Then you need to understand the way on understand the coin like 10 cent. It's a whole life, it's 150 rand each, another 10,000. So 10,000 times 10,000 times 150 to 1.5 million. So then I can buy my house. But if I have more coins, I can get a bigger house or I can buy it sooner. Or if I have less coins, I'm gonna have to wait longer. So now you check the sweet spot. So for another sweet spot is 10,000 coins at $10. $10 is 7 gonna happen by December 2020. Coin to $10. And then 10,000 coins times $10 is $250. So that's all this. So it's a very simple model, and there's not much to understand. You don't need to understand cryptocurrency that much unless you want to. And then, yeah, we can explain cryptocurrency, but I'm not gonna sit there and explain cryptocurrency for everyone. Like so I'm not gonna be a teacher cryptocurrency. If you want to learn cryptocurrency, they can go there places where you can learn. But when I started learning to do cryptocurrency in 2015, so obviously now 6 years on, participating in coins like that. I've made money in some of them, I've lost money in some, but I've learned a lot of cryptocurrency. So people who are understanding cryptocurrency right now, they're very tough because I guess I'll refer to my child up until remove it personally. So all of you, you better start looking up. You want to fact like change. Isn't that change? So yeah, so we are just there on the rings on a fast hard. No, you better move with the times. And about going, we miss the opportunity. We miss the opportunity all the time. There's so many opportunities people have missed. So now I miss them kill away. It's not like I was not aware. I missed them because I was in other opportunities. But right now, I'm so aware that I'm not gonna miss any opportunity to understand anymore. So I am graduate open. I'm not missing it. So you believe it or no, I'm gonna help as many people as I can as well. And then my 12 I can now and I don't know what's the risk because this is 1.5. So risk 1.5 so so for not so much money, 1.5 you can make your home owner. So I'm like, when were you ever going to be home owner? Like for most people, like 90% of people will never become owners, never. Unless what a bond. And bond doesn't guarantee ownership because you can pattern with trade. And if I was shapaka feeds into because if you have a million rand to put up to 1.5, I was shapaka interest million rand. So we put 20 years and the city and all this stuff. So serious about how I come when some sort of financial field, I do this more right now. I will before quite expensive. So what I bought, I was thinking, what in the Bible, let us coin 20 cent, 50 cent rand, 3 rand, 5 rand, 10 rand, 15 rand eventually. But then it can't be Pama Fellow. Then I wish in the week in a Indiana and Abua, coin 10 cent forward. So I think if a lot of people are going to buy this for you, are they going to buy it now? They can send it they're going to read by the credibility or proof. Now I've already gone through that stage. I've been correct I know the work. I don't need proof or anything to understand that. I know if about the thing I think I consumer buy it. Like even in any asset, you not even capital. Any asset, whether it's a stock, whether it's a house, whether it's a watch, it doesn't matter. Any asset, America at the cheapest. Why the cheap way? And then you have ham, and then I say pam me and I think so much. So yeah. So everyone I can angara model A, ya DHD, or tola holiday voucher in down. So even if we a fellow holiday voucher, next week what so keep telling man, what I keep telling can I use 1.5, then of holiday voucher keep down. And so how I can like coin him out with holiday voucher. So whatever motivation, now if coin is actually this, you twist it there because if on what I keep telling, you still wanna pay that $30. If what a hotel A or whatever is done, you still wanna pay $30. So but let's So it's just an incentive for it to be a no-brainer. So I start alone, and then you both or Kimma or be income now. So I take it and referral marketing. So I have incentivize but probably what one. So referral marketing always go level customer. A customer or this customer and work client. It is the same thing. I want to level thank you and or 10 rand taking or motor you or piking or whatever. So whenever I hold the voucher, I pay about about this or 12 from a regular card. Or when you are cutting an economy up to 1.5 million. So a regular card. So if I want a card, but I never refer to people or by people on something. So yeah. So like I said, 10,000 coins is going to be enough to buy your house, and then you can refer people. So 1.5 a guy, 500 rand, 500 rand, 250 to incentives and fees, 2 admin plus the fees, the other 250 incentives. Because I'm referring to people 250 times 12, 3,000 rand. So 2.5 in year, 3,000 rand. 3,000 rand. So 250 year 3,000 rand. You patala card. So yeah, so and then the other one obviously you have to fund in so yeah, that's the card. So if I talk people, then so Mona is just disclaimer, okay, content figures are based on the growth potential acquired according to GSB, the potential as a new innovative crypto gold alternative banking, property investing, telecommunication ecosystem. So that's for people who understand the ecosystem, but not all people who understand the ecosystem and we make understand because I do it full time for years. So they're not gonna understand it that much like I do, but they can understand it to some. So you don't need to be an expert like me to understand it. You must just see the potential of okay, GSBK intercompany was a legit company, Unaratengi billionaire, it's a new bank, removal more. I know it's a lot of information. So I shouldn't say you guys are stupid. Obviously, not stupid. If you want to learn, you can learn anything. Anybody can learn anything about it. So if you want to learn, you can learn just like I did. Learn something years ago. So, but now I do, and I understand inside of cooking study at 24/7. So, and then but hold Bitcoin until $10, December 2023, 24-month timeline. But I see it happening sooner than December 2023. So even next year, December. But let's say it's like July 2023. Then it's fine. Then it's 18 months over into our so how about for 10 years, 20 years, never had a house. Now you're 1.5 in 8 months time. It's even paid up. It's not even keep on. It's paid up. I think we are to so yeah, then you've left a legacy for your kids. And then and then you also be able to open a cryptocurrency bank account. How that card is you're going to have a cryptocurrency bank account. And yeah, and then on GS Telecom to WhatsApp. I'm not gonna explain all these things. These are just additional things. You can want to as a disclaimer. So yeah, so you need to open clientele Luna account, and then I deposit 1.5 ka Luna, I get Bitcoin or Ethereum, I send that to Bitcoin, and then after that, Bitcoin to the local node. It's called them. Okay, there's different types of nodes. So we log them in there, and then study log take more. Some nodes I can have access to, some I don't have access to. So my what is your node to take access to? So they locked it for 2 years, and then nobody can touch them for 2 years. So they can go December 2023. So that's the plan. So yeah, we still have chance for the notice to December 19th. So yeah, I think everyone can talk about it. Then they're locked. So not even me or anybody or company on access to points. Like who continuously is like ranta vale papa 10 rand. Who are the requisite to no, you can't even touch. So you don't sue December 2023. So how do you unlock obviously before the unlock go meeting, everyone go hey, William December 2023 na go unlock coin. And then batla tla gather and then ra tsa ona then ra unlock coin and then ka go coin guys coin is $10 good. And then I unlock and then if $20 it's even more because banana 3 rand. And then I take off and then more than go you can go Dubai and then you all return go. So that's the plan. And then And then obviously re tlo ba kenya ka ga bias list ya rona ya Telegram, so we can teach them about coin, the analysis about the coin level. And then they can refer people ka ga yona. These be more about the incentive ka ga ref ya rona, la ref la ni. Then they can also build the card, and then after build the card, they take the coin, they take the shares, it's about GSB, it's about Skyway, it's about Vector, or maybe take the property token, it's and then yeah, and maybe the assets. Those are just assets. The legit assets. And then bata sign more, and then mangolo okay, you can get the 10th November or whenever, and then come on and give for owner, and agent take up like an associate or an admin. Ngola go kike mana o thusa bla motho ke na ke ile mosata o thusa ka ke budo na o thusa ka phone number price ka nako ne reka cause price is up and down, so maybe o ile ka 50 cent ka 10 cent ka 150 ka bona for ringa ka then o thusa kontle kae, and then o patetse boka upfront excluding the exchange fees, and then you are looking at 1.5 million rand by December 2022 potential. It can happen soon. So if it's locked in a note, those are my until December 2022. If they're not locked, maybe you feel about this one you don't feel comfortable, you know, okay, it's fine. But the thing is the risk yeah, that's what credit do look. The risk is Globana Amutasa one abona it's not 300,000. Now attempted what's on a 300,000. That's what credit look for 2 years. So nobody can touch them. So if coin gonna go, let's say $20, then means all motor na 3 million rand. Okay, to 1.5 na 3 million rand. O sorted. I cannot lose it. I cannot retire it. So how about the Korean or do have no to coin 5 rand kapa whatever 50 rand. To signal half a million rand I did register because whatever. But I could so this is about home ownership. But I believe so we are going to wait until coins is 1.5 million rand. If I to buy one coin that can so that you know no if you 10 rand or 50 rand I try the coin to pay I get 10,000 to 10,000 if you 15 rand on 150,000 rand. Then then 150,000 rand can so benefits of partaking in our model, you can potentially leverage 500 rand into 500 plus 10,000 into 1.5 million within 24 months. And in the process, fulfill your financial independence through this legit, legally registered cryptocurrency investment opportunity. And you can also earn multiple sources of income from the benefit of October 2021 or the one or whenever I join who participating in our online networking platforms, which is Cardi plus XMT, indicating to the GDP, his partner. So after they're going to be in the running to win amazing prizes in the new year, you may be lucky enough to win a townhouse valued at 1 million rand. So obviously, go for the townhouse minimum. And then obviously, every month 50 month 50 to do the network. So I also never try but obviously what but also do the even 1%. Whatever but was why by basis card but demand then cut off. So you can build that network up to 29,000 people. And then about 29,000 with half a million rand plus minus. Obviously, the calculations plus minus with half a million rand. So that's another. This is just a different input of achieving financial freedom. How to become a homeowner or in the next 2 years or more, and then also our user card from end up to half a million rand. You know 1% of anything in the world. Half a million rand, financial freedom. You don't need half a million rand. That's more than enough. So this is just a picture. Area, I would rather earn 1% of 100 people's effort than 100% of my effort. So you would leverage. So J4 Getty was one of the richest men of the below there. 19 something. So he's one of the smartest people in terms of money. So no, I think I will try banking 1%. It's better than 100% like so I'd rather get leverage of other people. So using the card is almost like even though my service it's called referral marketing. You are leveraging of other people. So monarchy employee go and now I say that come on you have a job, you own a job, agent or lawyer or whatever. So I also say it shall take it. So that's just the fact. The common still also service. Laos as a digital tech. Makamuna, you own a system like Facebook is actually McDonald's or like a business. So now it also is and systems also is and just like what are it or not and children can come on get children to key investment like coin YouTube and YouTube and 1.5 YouTube and also later and then YouTube and a paying price and give it into 1.5 million. So as well as 1.5 million because we leveraged off it. So Mona like you say the main reason why people struggle financially is because they spend years in school but learned nothing about money. The result is that people learn to work for money but never learn to have money work for them. And then the richest people in the world look for and build networks. Everyone else looks for work. So that's what I'm doing in another company now. I'm building a network of agents, of buyers, of sellers, of card holders, whatever, coin holders, or that's my network. So building this network using my systems, company systems, so it will build that network. So that's how I'm gonna make money. I don't need even one house to be sold because I already get the card, already get the coin or what. That's how I will make money off you guys and your networks forever. Or else I'll network. So Luna, so no, you can still use systemic system, use system owner and build your network. So all of us can have money. So I'll have money, you have money, and then whatever. So like I want until how many people can network. Because so what if you talk at the network? Even we talk to but there's 8 billion people in this world. So Holland also got over at least 10,000 people now also building network because there's still so many billions and billions of people work out the network. So yeah, so that's network marketing, but it's not for everyone. So also about the network marketing, maybe you become an investor or self-employed or the employee, it's up to you. So now I know how to go out. I'm doing it now, and then yeah. So I'm just showing you guys how to go to in the next coming year. That's also it's like that. Also, 10 years. Also, links. You have nothing to show for it. So yeah. So if you have 1,000 people, which you can get there within 1 month, by the card, you'll be making 7,000. So 7,700 and then we go, wow, 7,500 take out part of the rent, take out part of the transport. 7,000 take out the license to Saka. Come on, so I every month take home part of rent, part of the transport. And then now we build up to 3,000 people, which you can book at 3 months with a 30,000 rent. What I think, can I feel this in a month? So 30,000 rent is almost like the start of middle class people. Keep 30,000 rent. So then you can afford insurance to buy or coin or okay, whatever. It's your money, you can do whatever you want to do. So DHB model K, you have 10,000 coins. I think $10 1.5 million. Then you can container house, so okay, can pay whatever house, but you take a look, take the shares for your holiday, or it's up to you. Then yeah, then okay, I went to digital ecosystem around obviously I study I understand this is cryptocurrency. If you don't understand cryptocurrency, then it's something new, but some people don't understand. But yeah, digital is going to be a monster. It's going to be so big that people they won't even understand how big it's going to be. So man, I understand that's why and then batla go recommend this will be for miss opportunity of and like it include the great especially for me. Also it's fine. Even though nobody can afford you for something. Even if you didn't take action, 1.5, then you deserve to suffer. Or 1.5 gig. So and then yeah, you guys thinking what you gonna get a commission of 5%. I don't want you guys taking 10%. You are going to get a commission of 5% from everyone. So let's say on about 200. Okay, to calculate. Let's say on about 200 in the next building this year. Let's say okay, about 200 in the next couple of months. In the next 2 years, 100 people will lose a 50,000 rand. So, governor commissioner 5 million rand. So I give them less than 5 million rand in 1 year failure from like poof. So the more people working young, how much and some battle can exist because one battle can more than 10,000. So the more people working, the more you can count your commission in the future. Go and agent. So let's say you get 200 people. So you times 2. Then you're looking at 10 million rand. This is basically your retirement. That's all I get the car at DHB mode. It's like 1.5. So I get the car to a guy by 1.5. Even a kilo when I got about 1,000. It's about 100 million 2023. It's what it. So then Kikio, Kion Chabona, Koloi, Dubai, that. So yeah, that's the DHB model. So hopefully it's not difficult. Like I said, 1.5, can you 1.5 minimum? I don't have price up. So price up when I plus minus 10 cents. I about 20 cents, 10,000 times 20 cents, 50,000. I have 50 cents, 10,000 times 50 cents, 5,000. So right now, that's actually the best time to buy now because it's cheap. So if I was these people now, I would just flock and buy it now before the expensive because I'm saving money. And then if you got $10, can I want to buy but most people will never even smell one. You know that for a fact. Or trust is a shop I do guys. They will never, unless I will never lotto. Or something or buy understand to currency. I can invest in this. But most people don't have this knowledge. So telephone knowledge you have to do everything step by step. There's nothing to figure out. Just such a later, okay, we can buy the coins for you, restore it, and then when now open up 2023, and now open renta or sorted. Or no, it's a Dubai coin. So yeah, that's the end of the video. It's about 20 minutes now. It's not too long. So then I'll move on to the next video after this.